I'm here at 635 in Greenville Avenue area where the tornado crossed the interstate here, and this is the south side of the freeway, and this is about where the middle of the tornado hit. And as you can see, Holiday Inn Express here is still closed more than 2 months after the tornado. Their roof is very well damaged. And then this is a Thai restaurant right here. I don't know if you can quite see it, but there's tarp all over this side of the building. And I'll pan out, there's tree limbs. These light poles are knocked over from the base. There's another light pole over there. All over this parking lot, there's still debris all over the place. And like I said, here's Greenville Avenue. And then 635 is right here. But right here, this tree, it still has just one limb on it and a whole bunch of bark knocked off. And all over the place there's debris. Here's a door. Maybe this door fell off this restaurant. It's about maybe 40 yards from the building. But all over the place there's still debris on the ground. And you can see the roof there and window damage. But also to get a perspective, we're next door to Olive Garden. Olive Garden is still open for business, so it doesn't look like they had any damage there. And then Cheddar's, I believe they're still open. And as you can see, no roof damage or anything over there. But at some points this tornado is almost a mile wide. And I have other videos of the damage, like of the Home Depot, and also damage from my neighborhood. The tornado came within a half mile of my home. Also, across the interstate, we'll look at the damage over there. I guess this office building is closed. They have a fence all the way around it. And mostly anywhere where the middle of the tornado hit, there's severe damage, and usually those buildings are destroyed. I have a video of where the tornado crossed Lover's Lane, and for like a whole block or two, there's just terrible damage like this. There's Candlewood Suites, they got some scaffolding up there. And then this office building over here also has tarp on it. But anyhow, check out my channel, be sure to like and subscribe and all that stuff, and hope you watch some more videos of mine. Thank you.